In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shipping zone in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you've been working with WooCommerce for your online store, you know that setting up shipping zones is crucial to ensure that your products reach your customers efficiently and cost-effectively. So let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to access the WordPress dashboard. This is your command center where you control everything related to your website. Once in the dashboard, you'll want to look for the WooCommerce tab. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the window. Clicking on this will expand a menu where you'll see various options related to WooCommerce settings. Next, click on the Settings option. This will navigate you to the WooCommerce settings page where you can manage various aspects like payments, accounts, emails, and of course, shipping. On this page, you will see a row of tabs at the top. Click on the Shipping tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing how you ship your products. Now, to add a new shipping zone, you'll need to click on the Add Shipping Zone button. This button is typically located near the upper right corner of the screen. Once clicked, a new form will appear for you to fill in. This is where you define the shipping zone by giving it a name. It could be something as simple as local area for a nearby region, or international for overseas shipping. After naming your zone, the next step is to define the zone region. This is where you specify the areas that the zone will cover, such as specific cities or entire countries. You can usually select these from a drop-down menu. It's important to be as specific or as broad as your shipping needs require. Now that you have your zone named and region selected, it's time to choose a shipping method. This is crucial as it dictates how shipping will be calculated. WooCommerce offers several methods such as flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. Each method can be tailored to suit different needs, so choose the one that aligns best with your business strategy. Finally, don't forget to hit the Create and Save button. This is located at the bottom of the form. Saving your changes ensures that your new shipping zone is activated and ready to be used. And there you have it. A complete shipping zone set up with just a few clicks. With these steps, you've successfully added a shipping zone to your WooCommerce store, helping streamline your logistics and improve customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.